I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to service a BMW E93 series transmission. First, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated and level. Next, gather all necessary tools and the correct transmission fluid. We will then proceed with draining the old fluid, replacing the filter, and finally refilling the transmission to its proper level. This process helps maintain smooth shifting and extends the life of your transmission. Before starting, safety is paramount. Use a robust lift or 4 reliable jack stands to elevate your BMW E90 securely. Ensure the vehicle is level for accurate fluid draining and refilling. You will need a new transmission filter kit, including a gasket, and approximately 6 to 9 liters of the correct, approved transmission fluid. Also, have a torque wrench ready for precise bolt tightening. With the vehicle safely elevated, position your drain pan beneath the transmission. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old fluid to empty. Once drained, remove the transmission pan bolts and lower the pan. Clean the pan's magnets, then install your new filter and a fresh pan gasket. Reattach the pan, tightening bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Now it's time to refill. Using a pump, add new transmission fluid through the fill plug until it begins to overflow. Start the engine and cycle through all gear positions, pausing briefly in each. With the engine running and at the correct operating temperature, recheck the fluid level, adding more until a steady stream flows from the fill hole. This ensures proper lubrication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.